Think you can name all 7? Challenge yourself and see how many you can recognize. Only true car enthusiasts will know them all. Do you have what it takes? Let's see if you can guess them all right. Prove your muscle car expertise. This muscle car from Dodge is famous for its aggressive looks, Hemi engines, and starring in the Fast and the Furious franchise. What car is it? A. Dodge Challenger. B. Dodge Charger. C. Plymouth Roadrunner. D. Ford Mustang. Correct answer, B. Dodge Charger. This Chevrolet muscle car debuted in 1967 to compete with the Ford Mustang and became a legend in its own right. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Camaro. B. Chevrolet Chevelle. C. Pontiac Firebird. D. Oldsmobile 442. Correct answer, A. Chevrolet Camaro. This Pontiac model, introduced in 1964, is often credited with starting the muscle car craze. Known as the GOAT, it became an instant classic. What car is it? A. Pontiac Trans Am. B. Pontiac GTO. C. Pontiac Grand Prix. D. Pontiac Tempest. Correct answer, B. Pontiac GTO. With a unique winged design, this car was developed for NASCAR and is one of the rarest muscle cars ever produced. What car is it? A. Plymouth Superbird. B. Dodge Charger, Daytona. C. Chevrolet Nova. D. Ford Torino, Cobra. Correct answer, A. Plymouth Superbird. This Ford muscle car featured a 429 cubic inch engine and a massive hood scoop, making it a favorite among collectors today. What car is it? A. Ford Mustang Boss 429. B. Ford Torino GT. C. Ford Falcon Sprint. D. Mercury Cougar Eliminator. Correct answer, A. Ford Mustang Boss 429. This high-performance Chevrolet car, equipped with a 427 cubic inch V8, is legendary for its dealer-installed upgrades. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Yenko Camaro. B. Chevrolet Corvette. So Chevrolet Impala. D. Chevrolet Chevelle. So Onion S. Correct answer, A. Chevrolet Yenko Camaro. This muscle car became famous for its Hemi Cuda version and was one of Plymouth's most powerful offerings. What car is it? A. Plymouth Duster. B. Plymouth GTX. C. Plymouth Barracuda. D. Dodge Dart Swinger. Correct answer, Plymouth Barracuda.